Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Home Maintenance 101, where we bring you information to help you take care of your home so your home takes care of you. So today we're talking about ground fault circuit interrupters, also known as GFCIs. These are outlets that detect an imbalance in the electrical circuit in your home and shuts off the power to that outlet. So why is this important? So in areas where there's a higher risk of shock or electrocution, these are outlets that are necessary to be able to reduce that. So where are those areas? That's your kitchen sink, your bathroom sink, or anywhere near water in your bathroom, near your washer and dryer, garages, or on the exterior of the home. So how it works is the outlet determines an imbalance or detects an imbalance in electricity coming in and going out. And when it detects that imbalance, it automatically shuts off the power to that outlet. Therefore, it helps eliminate any possibility of shock or electrocution. So if you've noticed by any water sources in your home that you don't have these kinds of outlets, please consult with an electrician so that way they can help you see where they're supposed to go and install them for you. If you have any questions, please reach out to me and I can help you find an electrician to be able to come out to your home. Thanks for tuning in to Home Maintenance 101, and we'll see you next week.